Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your device is ready. Verify the OS version and confirm you have a device passcode and biometrics enabled. Once done, back up your photos to iCloud, Google Photos, or a local drive so nothing is lost during app lock setup. Now open Settings and navigate directly to the Privacy or Security section. Make sure app permissions are allowed so the lock tool can manage the Photos app. This avoids interruptions when you apply the lock. You now configure the app lock. If your OS has a built-in option like Screen Time on iOS or App Lock on Android, go straight there and choose Photos to restrict access. If not, install a well-reviewed app locker and grant it the permission to appear over other apps and access notifications. This allows a consistent lock experience. Then create a strong numeric PIN and enable biometric fallback so you don't lose access. Finally, test by opening Photos to confirm the lock triggers. To finish, double-check backups and hidden albums are actually protected, then restart the device and retest the Photos lock to confirm it consistently blocks access. Make sure the locker app is excluded from battery optimization so it runs reliably. If the lock fails, clear the locker app cache and data, reinstall it, or reset app permissions and reapply the lock. These steps restore expected behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if biometrics stop working, temporarily remove and re-enroll fingerprints or face data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.